Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change your email on Vinted. This works the same way on both the mobile app and the website. First, open the Vinted app on your device or head to vinted.com in a browser. Once you're on your home feed, tap or click on the Profile tab, typically found in the bottom navigation bar on the app or in the top menu on the website. Your profile page will load showing your username and items. Now look for the Settings button or gear icon on your profile page and click it. The Settings menu will open with various account options. From here, select Account Settings. This is where all your email, password, and phone number options live. You'll see your current email address displayed on this screen. Next to your current email address, click the Change button. A new screen or prompt will appear. Press the Send Confirmation Email button. You'll see a message confirming that an email has been sent to your current address. Now go to your current email inbox and open the message from Vinted. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder. Confirmation emails sometimes end up there. Inside the email, press the Change Email button. This will either open the Vinted app or take you to a page where you can enter your new address. Enter your new email address in the field and click the Change button to submit it. Make sure you type it correctly. Double check for typos before you confirm. The final step, open your new email inbox and look for the confirmation message from Vinted. Again, check spam if it's not in your main inbox. Open that email and press the Confirm This Email button. Once you click that, you're done. Your email change is complete. Couple of quick notes. Both confirmation emails are only valid for 24 hours, so don't leave them sitting too long. Once the change goes through, your old email is completely disconnected from the account. All future notifications and login attempts will use the new address. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.